So my partner touches. If you haven't done a lot of work where you're feeling through there, just reverse and put your hands on the other side so that you can feel your partner's base. You always want to feel the ground. So wherever you're at with it is up to you. Now I feel the line, and then I start with the normal cycle of coming under. And once I've got the cycle there, I just drop my hip, stretch my spine, and send the energy down. And this going down brings the energy back up into whatever pattern you want to express it through. So thank you, Russell. This dropping quality inside your body, you're on the feeling of the toroidal field, you're in resonance. You drop through that resonance down, drop the hip, stretch the spine, the energy suddenly sinks and the field speeds up, and you run it through the gaps that form when the balance opens. So the dropping creates the opening, the rising goes through the gaps, and then you float your partner.